Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to another DHS vlogs. Hope you guys are all doing fine and hope you're having a very good day and hope you are enjoying whatever you like to do. Guys, once again I'm back, but I'm back. I should have been back earlier, but because of being busy all the time and working, so I'm back with another video. I'm not going to disappoint you guys. It's about keratin. Keratin withholds the significant component of our hair and skin, but the scientists at King's College have made a toothpaste which can regrow the broken enamel. Keep watching the video. Okay, guys, the scientists again from King's College, London, UK, have made a groundbreaking technology and they have made it sure that the keratin, which is taken from hair and wool, acts as a scaffold in saliva which attracts minerals, calcium, and other components to form a thick, dense layer over the tooth, which protects the tooth and which repairs the enamel and which can regrow the enamel. Guys, I repeat, it can regrow the enamel. Various research from King College, from Japanese, from Chinese have been done, but enamel regrowth was never being possible because of lack of blood supply. But in this new technology, they have made this keratin useful for the patients in the form of toothpaste. They can use the toothpaste, or maybe they can go to the office or dental office and they can get a gel. The dentist can apply a gel and it can help to regrow the tooth enamel. So guys, first of all, there are certain things, as you know, that it have this gel from keratin attracts minerals from the saliva and which causes an enamel like growth layer which helps the tooth. There are two main helpful aspects of this keratin treatment for the tooth. Number one, it helps with sensitivity. It helps to close the nerve endings in the dentine, so you will not feel any kind of sensitivity. So the enamel repairs. So you don't have to go to the dentist to get the filling, and you don't need any kind of treatment. Number two, it helps in strengthening the tooth so that the cavity is reabsorbed. The bacteria, the strep mutants which cause the cavities are destroyed, and the enamel gets flourished with more and more fluoride. And application is very easy. It comes in a toothpaste, in a simple form of toothpaste, and this research is very valid, and it will be, and this toothpaste creating keratin will be available in the market in maybe couple of years, and it will help guys. For example, if you regrow teeth, after you can use this toothpaste to help to repair the damage. So it is a very groundbreaking technology. As we have discussed many researches about tooth regrowth and dentine repair and usage one and certain kind of tight closure medicines. This is most promising because this will help the calcium. Maybe you take in form of supplement, or maybe you take in the form of food. It will have the magnesium, calcium, and certain ions to form a protective layer on your tooth, and this is will be helpful for protecting the layer and especially for sensitivity. Many patients come to our office and they ask, doctor, I feel so much sensitivity on that tooth because the enamel on the tooth is broken, and it's the erosion which causes the enamel to get damaged, and you can feel the sensitivity. After this treatment, the sensitivity on these kind of teeth will finish and you will feel better and your tooth will repair. So it's a groundbreaking technology. Hats off to the scientists at King College, because they are doing their best to help dentistry, to do research work in dentistry, and all the thanks to scientists at King College that they have helped to maintain this kind of medicine. Now for my Asian followers, guys, बड़ा सिंपल है. Keratin आपने सुना होगा, बालों में लोग करवा रहे हैं, कुछ स्किन पे करा रहे हैं, कुछ keratin से बाल ठीक करवा रहे हैं. Keratin जो है वो हेयर डैमेज को कंट्रोल करती है, लेकिन अब उन्होंने keratin को यूज किया है टूथपेस्ट में, जो आप जब लगाएंगे दांतों में तो आपके सलाइवा, मुंह में जो थूक है, उससे कैल्शियम को एब्जॉर्ब करेगा, उससे मिनरल्स को एब्जॉर्ब करेगा और आपके दांतों को स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाएगा. आपके दांतों में जो कैविटीज हैं उनको रिपेयर करेगा. जो इनेमल होता है, इसमें ब्लड सप्लाई नहीं होता, जो रिपेयर नहीं हो पाता, उसको रिपेयर करेगा. ग्राउंड ब्रेकिंग चीज है. आपके दांत बच सकते हैं. इवन आफ्टर रीग्रोथ प्रोसीजर आप अपने दांत को भी इस तरह बचा सकते हैं. और ये किंग्स कॉलेज यूके में हुआ है और कमाल लोग हैं. इनकी 2-3 जो है ना वो रिसर्चेस जो है डेंटिस्ट्री में इस टाइम टॉप 5 में जा रही हैं और बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं ये लोग. और ये केराटिन टूथपेस्ट डेफिनेटली 100% मैं रिकमेंड करूंगा. जब भी मार्केट में आए इसको जरूर लें. कॉस्ट को ना देखें, बिकॉज आपको अपने दांतों को बचाना है। और ये टूथपेस्ट सबसे ज्यादा सेंसिटिविटी, आपकी जो नर्व एंडिंग्स खुल जाती है दांतों में, जिससे दर्द होती है, टीस पड़ती है, सड़न होती है, वो इसको खत्म कर देगी, क्योंकि ये एक ऐसी लेयर बनाएगी दांत के ऊपर जिससे आपको सेंसिटिविटी नहीं होगी। तो जरूर इसके इसके बारे में आपको जरूर अपडेट करूंगा। आई होप यू लाइक द व्लॉग। इफ यू लाइक इट, प्लीज शेयर एंड लाइक इट एंड शो सम लव। और फिर इंशाल्लाह एक दफा फिर आऊंगा विद अनदर व्लॉग। अल्लाह हाफिज़।